you believe in time travel. In this new video series that begins today, we'll show you various tests to affirm the existence of time travelers. It is up to you to decide if you really think it is real or not. Judge for yourself. Is this a time traveler? Vladimir Putin behind a shaved woman during the liberation of France. 1944. Old 1944 photo. Barack Obama. Time traveled back to the Victorian era. There is anecdotal evidence that a 19-year-old Barack Obama is indeed a time traveler. U.S. nickel from 2067. Proof that time travel exists. Von Helton has provided proof of his time travel prowess by lining up side-by-side photographs of himself starting in a studio in 1857 England, with stops in 1916 France, 1945 Berlin, and ending in the modern day in front of an American flag. Is he, in fact, a time traveler? Who shot Neanderthal man? The Museum of Natural History in London has an early Paleolithic skull, 38,000 years old, found in Zambia in 1921. The left side of the skull is a perfectly nearly round hole, 1/3 inch in diameter. There are no radial split lines around the hole or other marks that should have been left by an arrow or a spear. Opposite the hole, the cranium is shattered and reconstruction of the fragments show the skull was blown from the inside out, as happens with a gunshot. Weird. Time travel will be invented in the year 2025. How do we know? Because that is the year that this delightful lady claimed to have traveled from. In the year 1898, according to contemporary reports, Alexandria Alexis appeared as if from nowhere and took New York society by storm. Some fawned over her while others claimed she was insane. This debate was however rendered moot when, on New Year's Eve 1899, she simply disappeared. Maria Horsick, World War II-era medium and leader of Drole, which was an offshoot of the Vollgesellschaft Society in Nazi Germany. Her story is amazing, and sounds almost like a cheesy sci-fi story, but has convincing documentation of its true existence. She disappeared in March of 1945 and some say that she and others went to a star system 68 light-years away from ours. The cathedral in the Spanish city of Salamanca was constructed in 1102, and is therefore one of the oldest such constructions in the world. It features magnificent stone carvings on all its walls, but one of them is a bit more special than the others. It bears the depiction of what appears to be a fully dressed astronaut in a spacesuit, complete with details such as the sole of his shoes. Nobody knows how he got there, or what a 20th century astronaut is doing on the walls of a 12th-century church. They have no idea why this Stegosaurus creature is on the wall of Angkor Wat. The initial design and construction of Angkor Wat took place in the first half of the 12th century, and the Stegosaurus roamed the Earth around 165 to 195 million years ago. Time travel evidence photos. Newspaper photo appeared in our friend Luke Sada's book Evidence. The weekly world news clipping below, which points out a cell phone visible in a 1918 newspaper photo, appeared in our friend Luke Sada's book Evidence.